Hi, I'm Trisha at Club Scrap, and this month's special release page kit is called Heartstrings. Let's take a peek. So here is our first look at the centerpiece of the Heartstrings collection. Of course, it's the paper. We at Club Scrap love our specialty papers, and we've got two prints here with this single heart on the right edge and a lot of really neat collaging in the background. And then we have two each of this adorable border print with all the hearts across the bottom. It's just the sweetest. Complementing all of those prints, we've got our plain sheets of paper. These two are very, very special. Always a nice heavyweight cardstock. We've got two sheets of wine. We've got craft, this beautiful textured rose color, two ivory, and then three of a lighter pink. And then we have our famous printed cut-aparts. You'll have two sheets, and they'll contain all of the titles and the journaling prompts, other images that you need to make quick work of finishing those layouts. I'll also show you how to use the beautiful ribbons we've selected for this collection. We've got this really wide ribbon with this beautiful pattern in the background, a full yard of this gorgeous velvet, and 2 yards of a pink and white twine. For other goodies and embellishments in the kit, you'll find this set of intertwined hearts, this adorable heart-framed woodcut, a set of 3 foldable craft tags, and a yard of this heart satin trim. Now, the beautiful thing about a Club Scrap kit is that we not only send you that box with all the gorgeous contents, but we also send you instructions that you can download and print for yourself and follow along step by step, cut by cut. And we don't just make you read those instructions, I actually create a workshop video so that you can join me for an online virtual class at your convenience where we will make 8 layouts together. And here are those pages. Again, you can see the print and the plain papers that we've included, the trim, the tags, the cut-aparts, everything that I've mentioned that comes in the box is utilized to finish these gorgeous layouts. Once everything's in its place, the only thing left for you to do is grab your pictures, add them to the layouts, include a little bit of your written memories of whatever happened at these events, and you will have 8 beautiful pages that you can keep forever along with those precious memories. So grab that beautiful new Heartstrings kit and join me for the video workshop. I look forward to having you in class.